एयरप्लेन्स को अपनी तरफ खींचता है.
कैटेगरी पॉश होटल्स है. दिस इज होटल
No sugar for us. बहुत हो गया इतने टाइम से. Is this ginger?
दिस हैज टू बी आवर फेवरेट वन.
5ish right? 5 कोशिश है. Morning with keys. Hi key. Key. They don't even look at you. Oh, he did, but that's not a friendly look. Second day at Leh. It's 12th of June. एंड कल हमने अपनी सारी थकान उतार ली, बहुत मज़े किए, बहुत अच्छे से सोए. सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू शे पैलेस एंड द नेक्स्ट वन इज व्हाट?
देयर इज अ लवली monastery at Spituk.
Spituk, yeah.
Which is a place in the suburbs of Leh, close to the airport.
Yeah.
So yeah, looking forward.
Exactly. And कल हमने जहाँ से what was the name of that art shop?
Oh,
art
I
shop.
totally
that's
forget.
okay. We'll put the name. वहाँ पे उन्होंने हमें सजेस्ट किया था कि वो स्पितुक मॉनेस्ट्री जाकर आओ. कहते हैं कि जब भी इंडियन आर्मी वॉर या कुछ बहुत सालों से है वो ऑफ कोर्स मॉनेस्ट्री, तो जब भी इंडियन आर्मी वॉर के लिए जाती है तो वहाँ पे they go and they
माथा टेकते
हैं. Exactly. And कहते हैं कि जो एयरप्लेन्स भी है वो उसके थोड़ा साइड से निकल के जाते हैं, बिकॉज ऐसा माना जाता है कि वहाँ पे कुछ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड की तरह लाइक एयरप्लेन्स को अपनी तरफ खींचता है. सो वील चेक दैट आउट, बट फर्स्ट वील गो टू शे एंड चेक दैट मॉनेस्ट्री आउट.
मैं भी गोलगप्पे मिल गया मैं. हाउ आर दे? शक्ल से तो बढ़िया लग रहा है काम.
भैया मीठा डालना थोड़ा सा.
अरे
जल गई मैं.
चैंपियंस भी हार गए हैं, फिर तो कुछ मिर्च है.
चैंपियन नहीं हूँ मैं नहीं खा रही मैं.
नहीं, मिर्च चला लेती हैं.
चला लेती हूँ.
Right on. Treat for the tongue and the ears, huh?
We had a very good lunch at Leh Cafe.
La Cafe and
तो
Restaurant.
लाहा कैफे मेरे को कभी याद नहीं रहते यार नाम.
That's all right.
कोई बात
This
नहीं.
is
And
La
that's our
Cafe and
packed
Restaurant.
rice.
That's our brother. Very kind service.
Thank you.
चाहिए हमें?
चाहिए हमें.
नहीं, पड़ा है, बहुत पानी पड़ा है.
गाड़ी में पड़ा है
है
काफी
ये.
पानी.
Thank you.
हाँ, thank you.
Thank
बिल
you,
ले
brother.
आना.
बिल है ये.
Thank you.
So yeah, so this is just by the highway. यहाँ पर नीचे, this is the first floor, so I can't show you
Yeah.
the road. ऊपर Shea Monastery का complex है. That's where we're headed. Shea Palace rather.
हाँ, शे
this is
पैलेस
Shea
के
Palace,
जो
yeah.
एंट्रेंस है शे पैलेस की उसके जस्ट ऑपोजिट है ये.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Just across the road. Very nice
Yeah.
place. We had a lovely meal. बहुत अच्छा था. जैसा चाहते थे वैसा ही बनाया.
Yes.
It's a very nice and big hall. Have a look. Lovely music playing.
The food is also great,
Food
and
was
I was
lovely.
craving a mojito and I got it.
Yeah, this was one heck of a mojito.
Oh yes, lovely.
So खाना अच्छा है यहाँ पर. So आप Shea Palace visit करते हैं. So this is La Cafe and Restaurant. Their banners and hoardings are here. यहाँ पर भी था, but I think they've shut the door.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is how things look from here, from the window. Good stuff.
So that's where we were at, LA Cafe and Restaurant, and this is Shea's entrance, and here's the restaurant just across the road.
Yes.
We have just arrived at Spituk Monastery, and यहाँ से again हर monastery से view अच्छा होता है, but our favorite is Tongde.
This is a Biscoff latte and looks very promising. Oh boy, it's good. Peanut butter cookie, naan patai, and carries frappe over there.
Yep.
So the food at this place was so good that today we decided to trade barista off for this, and I'm pretty sure we won't be disappointed. So here goes.
It's 8:30 right now, and we have headed out. Dinner आज हमने होटल में किया because we wanted to try वहाँ पे खाना कैसा है, and आज हम दूसरा रूट ले रहे हैं, स्कारा रूट नहीं ले रहे हैं फॉर द मार्केट,
Yeah.
एंड वील जस्ट शो यू हम कौन सा रूट ले रहे हैं.
Yeah. Lot of traffic.
सो सामने जो आप रोड देख रहे हैं, दिस रोड कम्स फ्रॉम ज़ांस्कार एंड कारगिल, ये ग्रीन बोर्ड वाला. तो सामने से जब आप आते हैं, इफ़ यू टेक दिस टर्न हियर, इधर से आता है स्कारा रोड, एंड जहाँ पे हम लोग रुके हैं रिग्जन रीजेंसी, राइट. एंड दिस कैन बी द लैंडमार्क ओवर हियर, right? And
It's a lovely stupa as a roundabout.
yeah, roundabout, and that's the petrol pump, right? And petrol pump के बिल्कुल ये इधर हम जाते हैं मेन मार्केट. ये भी निकलता है मेन मार्केट ले के लिए, मेन मार्केट जो मॉल है टेक्निकली ले का. Yeah, so that.
So right now we're treading the old Leh road, और यहाँ पर जो मैं देख रहा हूँ होटल ज़्यादा I think upper category posh hotels hain. So we've changed the road from Skara to this, and we see that the the more pricier hotels from the looks of it is jagah par hai. So if you're thinking of binging out on comfort, then I think Old Leh Road could be your home for the visit. This is Hotel Kyunso. Again, looks very elegant. If I look on this side, this is Shangri-La Ladakh. So you see what I mean?
Yeah.
यहाँ पर ज़रा, I think the star rating is higher.
Yeah.
And over here we have Northern Singhe up there. Then, ooh, this is also very nice, Carrie. The Serra Courtyard, a luxury boutique hotel. Yes, I think I was right on the money that this road demands money. Yeah, good. This is, oh yeah, I remember this from
Yeah,
the last
me
time.
too.
Right? Is
Yeah.
that Abdu 7, is it?
I'm not sure.
Abdul?
Yeah,
Abdus.
they
Yes.
Abdus.
Abdus. Very nice. So, a very grand building. Again, built in the traditional Ladakhi fashion, as you can see. Yeah, so there we go. So, Abdus. Whoa, that's quite a courtyard, and that is going to need some splurging for sure. Looks amazing.
So this is Sindh, Ladakh, and we
Yeah.
stayed here the last time. Off season में we got it for 1700 rupees.
Yeah.
On season में like अभी जो time चल रहा है, I am pretty sure last time भी it was he was talking कि 5000 तक का होता है ये on season में. So yeah, we were lucky to get it for 1700 in off season in the month of October.
Yes.
But अभी ये easily 4500 5000 का होगा.
That. So yeah, the
Yeah.
off-season perks are definitely there.
Yes. थोड़ा सा अगर बजट फ्रेंडली ऑप्शंस अगर आप चाहते हैं तो यहाँ पर गेस्ट हाउसेस भी है. दिस वन इज़ अ गेस्ट हाउस,
Yeah.
एंड इधर भी
Here's another one, Kogluk.
या कोगलू गेस्ट हाउस,
Yeah. उसी रोड पर ही हैं हम, Old Leh Road.
ओल्ड ले रोड.
So as you march up,
Yeah.
more economical options also show up.
या एंड ऑफ कोर्स डिपेंड करता है आप किस सीज़न में जा रहे हैं. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि जिस रेट पे हमें होटल्स मिले हैं उसी रेट पे मिले. डिपेंड्स ऑन द ओनर एंड सेवरल फैक्टर्स. अगर लैप ऑफ लग्जरी में आपको रहना है, सो दिस इज़ द होटल, द ग्रैंड ड्रैगन लद्दाख. 24/7 हॉट वाटर, एंड ये विंटर्स में भी ओपन होता है. सो अगर आप विंटर लद्दाख प्लान कर रहे हैं, this is the place to stay. And I've heard that the food is amazing, the facilities are amazing, Wi-Fi and everything. अब तो हर होटल में ही Wi-Fi है, but this is a very luxurious hotel. Next time we'll come with more budget so that we
Hopefully,
can
yeah.
hopefully so that we can try this one out.
Yes.
Because we really want to try this hotel, and people are looking at me and getting awkward. Let's go.
Right. Adieu, Grand Dragon.
Yeah.
So if you've got money, this is the place. Ladakh Continental. Looks very nice.
Yep.
Then we have another one over here.
This is huge.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah.
Let's see, what else do we have?
This is Lasser Moldak.
La Sermo Ladakh. Nice.
I don't know why.
Yeah, Palermo. Yeah, reminds me of.
Yeah, Palermo.
Nice.
And we are approaching Dragon Supermarket. Let's blow our money.
Here we go. Entering the store. Ta-da!
We have a lot of chocolates here, including Lindt, our favorite, Milka. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Wow. Lindt hazelnut. Oh my god.
Temptation Island.
It is. Okay, no sugar for us. बहुत हो गया इतने टाइम से. Come.
A load of this everybody. Trissa and Jordan के brushes कभी-कभी Amazon पे out of stock हो जाते हैं, but यहाँ पर they're hanging by the dozen. We even got value packs for Jordan over here. क्या बात है. Okay, Carrie's
We
calling me
have
out. Yeah.
local lettuce and local hot sauce.
Oh, now that is something. Local ही तो मैं ढूंढ रहा था. Local lettuce looks so
Yeah.
lush. Very nice.
Hey, what's this? Is this ginger?
This is ginger indeed.
This is Thai ginger.
Hi ginger, look at that. Oh yes, what a lovely corner. Lots of options for dairy and plant-based milk, which is always very good. So you've got almond milk, oat milk,
Yeah.
the whole range. Lot of cheese.
शिमला में सोय मिल्क की जगह कुछ नहीं मिलता. In fact, in Solan also, just soy milk.
Yeah, it's
That is all.
very
And वो भी-
difficult to.
Yeah, like you know, puffed packets जो देख के लगता है जिसमें धूल होती है कि ये तो हम नहीं खा सकते.
Very true. Fruit corner, nicely packaged.
Yeah.
This has to be our favorite corner, the local produce. Ladakh की सारी चीज़ें local products. Dried apricots, very healthy. You've got barley soup with mushroom in it, wild nettle, dried tomato. Excellent. There's all dried fruit, herbal tea, sea buckthorn tea, dried apricots again. They're pretty big here. और इधर sea buckthorn की और products हैं. And let's see what we have. Oh, chamomile tea. Again, Ladakh basket. That's just
Yeah.
lovely. Let's see, Ladakh A2 Desi ghee. Whoa. Sea buckthorn powder. And here's some pulses. Rajma. And natural beauty products. This is local. What do we have
Yeah.
here? This is.
Crispy hot chili tomato flavor.
Oh, all right. For a kick.
I can
Oh,
take
yes,
this.
of course. Yes, very good. Hey, Carrie. Incenses.
Yeah, incenses.
यहाँ की incenses का match नहीं है. They're very pure and you get that monastery feeling in your room once you light them up. Very nice.
Oh ma.
What else have you found?
Crispy hot chili garlic flavor.
Very nice.
Well, these can be taken home and for our friends too.
Oh
They
yes,
love it.
of course. बिल्कुल. अगर चटकारा पसंद दोस्त हैं तो यहाँ ज़रूर आइए इस कॉर्नर में. Look
Yeah.
at this.
We are headed back to our hotel now. सुबह जल्दी निकलना है, so we got the diesel filled. वैसे मॉर्निंग में ऑन सीजन में 6 बजे पेट्रोल पंप्स खुल जाते हैं. नवंबर से they open up by like 7:30 or 8. So but we thought we'll not take a chance because we might start around like 5ish, right? 5 कोशिश है. पक्का नहीं कह सकते because we are not morning people. So yeah, maybe 6:30, maybe 7. Let's see. अभी तक हमने डिसाइड नहीं किया है कि नेक्स्ट हमने कहाँ जाना है. We were thinking of exploring Yayaso, but not sure about it right now. Let's see how we sleep and then in the morning how it goes. Thank you. बालकनी दिखा देती हूँ.
Nice.
Yep.
Accessible बहुत है.
बहुत ज़्यादा.
खुला डुला, very airy.
Yeah.
We had 2 big windows.
Yep.
Advantage of taking the corner room. So ये बहुत बड़ा है.
दिखने जा.
अभी कुछ ज़्यादा दिख नहीं
Reflection आ रही
रहा.
है.
सामने स्टोक कांगरी भी नजर आती है यहाँ से. फिलहाल आपको कमरे नहीं दिखाना चाहिए.
थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे कोई बात नहीं. We don't mind that.
Yeah. और ये सबसे अच्छी advantage है back in the center of the city. It's not center but very accessible. आपके के सामने.
Yeah, that's the parking. Big parking.
And if you look at the floors, you can see the owners are very particular about the cleanliness.
Yeah, they are.
lovely 2.5 days here.
Yeah, and that's our favorite place, Lavender.
Oh yeah, you must come to it.